Year 5 and Year 6, and for your enrichment program today, we are going to make a geography fortune teller similar to the one that I have made here. Now, all you will need is a piece of paper. It can be lined, it can be plain, it can be coloured, anything you want as long as it's a piece of paper. You will need a ruler or some scissors and a pen. Now, on the fortune teller, we've got numbers. Then when you open it up, instead of having numbers on the inside, I've chosen to go for geography themed words to spell out words such as map. So instead of counting, you'd go M-A-P. Then we have some little activities or tasks for you to do. So such as name 3 cities in the UK, point to the UAE on a map, find 3 facts about Brazil. So for your fortune teller to work, you will need a world map or Google Maps. Now to start off, you will need a square piece of paper. Now mine is A4 and it is currently rectangular. So to create that square, all I'm going to do is fold it up like that, put a nice crease in it, and then I can see there the amount that I need to cut off. So with my ruler, you could use scissors for this. I am then just going to trim it off to leave a square. Now, I folded it point to point one way. Now, you need to go the other way. Like so. So you are left with that. So that is stage 1 of your fortune teller. Now you should have stage 1 like that. So you should have a lovely diagonal lines. What you're going to do now is you're going to flip it over, and each point you are going to fold to the center of your square, and make sure your crease lines are nice and strong. Okay, so now after stage 2, you folded each corner and you should be left with something like that. Now you're going to flip it over again, and you're going to do exactly the same for stage 3. So you get each point and fold it into the center. Just making sure that your lines are nice and strong. Then, so that should be it now. Then you fold it once that way. Fold it the other way. And then to put it together, you can like get your hands underneath each flap and then bring it together like so. Okay, now mine has gone a bit funny here, and I think it's because my line wasn't strong enough. So it's really important to have very strong creases. Otherwise, it will not work. There we go. So now I have a fortune teller that is ready to tell my geography fortune. Now it is up to you what you put on. You can make it as hard or as easy. I'm going to start with numbers. I went 2, 4, 6, 8 on this one. So this one I'm going to go 1, 3, 5, 7. You could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you fancy, okay? Now on this side, we would usually put numbers here, but I'm going to make it more geography related, and I'm going to choose some geographical words. So I'm going to write map, and instead of counting it, we will spell it. I'm going to write equator. So this is where you must make sure your spellings are correct as well. I'm going to choose longitude, latitude, world, continent, country, and the last one, ocean. So for this one, you might want to choose words that you struggle to spell, so therefore you can practice your spellings. So when it comes to the second stage of the fortune teller, you will have to spell out these words. So country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, like that, okay? Now, on Flip It Open, on this side, this is where we need to write down some tasks for us to do. So it could be find 3 facts about China. It could be point to Africa. And for that, you would obviously need a world map or use Google Maps. You could write, name 3 countries in Africa. Could be find 3 capitals. So you have to look on the map. So it's entirely up to you what you fill this section with. If you know you struggle with world maps, start easy, do the continents, then maybe do the cities, okay? Mix it up, you can have point to, find 3 facts, search for, okay? And then that there is your geography fortune teller. Now you will need to do this with someone, okay? But now you can find out loads of facts about geography. Have fun.